right there.
Those are eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to hatch, but not babies we'd want to cuddle. These teachers are looking for places where mosquitoes lay their eggs. Educators set out traps around the UT Ag campus, and 4 days later, eggs were everywhere. It's part of a training program funded by a workforce development grant from USDA-NIFA called Megabytes. That stands for Medical Entomology and Geospatial Analysis, bringing innovation to teacher education and surveillance studies.
So I plan to use this as a platform all year long in the curriculum where I can talk about how to use microscopes, and we can look at the larvae, and then we can go on and we can map where we found all of the mosquitoes.
The first class was held during Mosquito Awareness Week, but the teachers are far from done. This is a year-long academy, concluding on World Malaria Day in April 2020. Mosquitoes can transmit dangerous pathogens, West Nile in addition to malaria. In Tennessee, mosquitoes also spread La Crosse encephalitis, the most common pediatric mosquito-borne disease in the U.S.
The mosquito-borne illnesses, climate change, the spread of mosquitoes into more and more areas for longer periods of time. I can tie this into any of the curriculums I teach.
The teachers will instruct students about mosquito biology and ecology, potential careers in entomology, and the science classes will collect mosquito egg data for the UT Institute of Agriculture and local health departments.
So we've been giving them this training. The teachers are going to go back into the classroom and do 10 weeks of mosquito surveillance with their classroom. The students are going to actually develop a scientific experiment, which, if replicated correctly and we can do this right, could be a publishable piece of data.
Becky Trout-Frixell is a UTIA entomologist and coordinator of the Megabytes Academy.
Within the past 20 years, our mosquito species have changed.
She calls this educational effort community-driven surveillance, encouraging a younger generation to be curious about entomology and learn its impact on public health.
Preventing a bite is all it really takes to prevent a pathogen from being transferred.
The goal of Megabytes is to train this future workforce and also build awareness of insect-related pathogens. It's an effort to promote good human health and decrease mosquito populations. This is Charles Denney reporting.